Hi, my name is Angelica Bluntu, 33 years old, single parent from Philippines, and I'm high school graduate. I have 4 years experience in Kuwait. They are 4 members, 2 children, 4 years old and 11 years old. My main duties are preparing the kids' breakfast and bring them to the school, and also cooking, ironing, washing clothes, cleaning, marketing, and also washing the car. And I have 2 years experience in Jordan to my second employer. They are 6 members, 4 children, 2 years old, 4 years old, 11 years old, and 13 years old. My main duties are preparing the kids' school, preparing the breakfast, and also cooking, marketing, washing, ironing, cleaning, and also feeding the 1 cats and 2 birds. To my future employer, hope you will hire me. I will do my best to be the good housemate. I am honest, kind, obedient, caring, helpful, and also hardworking. Thank you and God bless.